Hello gamers, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something super exciting, the Acer Nitro VG270S. This 27-inch gaming monitor has been causing quite a buzz, and I got my hands on one to see if it really lives up to the hype. Is this the gaming monitor you've been waiting for? Chill, let's find out. Alright, let's kick things off with the design. Right out of the box, the Acer Nitro VG270S makes a great first impression. It's got these ultra slim bezels that just scream modern, making it perfect if you're into multi-monitor setups. The stand, sturdy enough, but honestly, if you're like me and love a clean clutter-free desk, you'll probably want to mount this beauty on the wall. And yes, it's VESA compatible. The build quality is solid too. It's mostly plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap at all. It's the kind of monitor that looks good and feels good on your desk. Now, let's get to what really matters, the display. This is where the VG270S shines. You're getting a full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution with an IPS panel. Translation: crisp, vibrant visuals that make your games and movies pop. But here's the kicker: it's got a 167 Hz refresh rate. If you've never gamed on a monitor with that kind of refresh rate, you're in for a treat. Everything is silky smooth, from fast-paced shooters to action-packed racing games, and with 1 millisecond response time, say goodbye to annoying ghosting. Speaking of smooth, let's talk about AMD Freesync. If you're gaming with an AMD graphics card, this feature is going to make your life so much better. No more screen tearing or stuttering, just fluid gameplay that lets you stay fully immersed. The brightness is decent at 250 nits. It's bright enough for most setups, though if you're gaming in a sunlight room, you might wish for a bit more. But chill out. Who loves gaming in a sunlit room? Now, Acer has thrown in built speakers, which is always a nice touch. But here's the deal: they're okay for casual use, maybe watching some YouTube videos or listening to music while you work. But for gaming, you're better off with a good pair of external speakers or a solid gaming headset. The built-in just don't deliver that punch. Connectivity-wise, the VG270S covers the basic. You've got 2 HDMI ports, a display port option, which should suit most of your needs, whether you are gaming, streaming, or working. It doesn't have a USB-C, but honestly, at this price point, that's not a huge miss. One thing I really appreciated is how easy their monitor is to use. The on-screen display menu is super user-friendly, so that whether you are adjusting the settings for gaming or just tweaking the brightness for late-night work, it's all pretty straightforward. Acer clearly put some thought into making this monitor easy to live with. Now let's talk about the price. For less than $300, the Acer Nitro VG270S is positioned in what sweet spot that you just desire. It's not that cheap, but for what you are getting, the 165 Hz refresh rate, FreeSync support, and IPS panel, it's definitely worth considering if you are looking to upgrade your setup without going broke. Time for a quick pros and cons breakdown. In terms of the pros, the high refresh rate, the 1 millisecond response time, any gamers, you'll all love this. It has an AMD Freesync, so for this you say goodbye to screen tearing. The design is sleek with an ultra-thin bezels and VESA compatibility. In terms of the cons, the built-in speakers are not that clicking, but again, the price is not that perfect for high-end kind of speakers. The next con is that the brightness is decent but could be better in very bright rooms. Overall, Is the Acer Nitro VG270S the right monitor for you? If you are a gamer on a budget who still wants top-notch performance, this monitor is a fantastic option. It's got the specs to keep up with intense gaming sessions and the looks to complement any setup. It's not perfect, but at this price, it's pretty darn close. That's a wrap for today's review. I'll leave a link to the monitor. Check it out, purchase it, and you'll get value for your money. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, gaming content. If you have any question about the Acer Nitro VG270S, drop them in the comments below and I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you.